Hello guys, today I want to quickly show you a package for disposable emails. So what if you want to restrict the registrations from services like mailinator.com or something like that? It's really easy to do with a package Laravel disposable email. So if you install that in your Laravel project, in my case I have a simple Laravel Breeze project, but it can be any Laravel auth. So you can just do compose or require, and then it will introduce the validation rule for you. So you can publish the config, but that is optional. Also, you can download the latest disposable information from disposable domains, which are separately here, disposable email domains. You can check that package as well. And let's add the validation rule to our registration form. So in Laravel Breeze, the registration is performed in file app HTTP controllers auth registered user controller. And one of the validation rules is email, and let's add in disposable to the email rules array. What happens then? We try to register. So I click register. I will use fake filler Chrome extension, which is exactly using services like this one. So mailinator.com. I click register and I get a validation error. Disposable email addresses are not allowed. So let's see what are the actual domains that are disposable, so to speak. So this repository is actually the JSON file, and the main is disposable. And here you have the list of 10-minute mail, Gorilla Mail, and others. And the actual file, domains.txt, is pretty long one, to be honest. Starting from like 0507, so everything is alphabetical. It's pretty huge, but it covers all the main ones. So 10-minute mail is found with not only .com but .nl and others. So if you want to restrict those from your registration, this is a great way and a quick way to do that. If you want more videos about such packages and my recommendations, I advise you to subscribe to the channel and get the daily videos and hit the bell button to be notified of new videos. But generally I publish new videos every day in the morning at 5 a.m. UTC time, which is 8 a.m. in my local Lithuania currently. So you can make a daily schedule to watch my videos, and see you guys in those other videos.